Anna, wake up. It's time for school.
5 more minutes, please. I'm so sleepy.
You went to bed late again. No more late night chatting. Up now.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Good. Open your eyes. Sit up.
I'm up, kind of.
Go to the bathroom. Brush your teeth and wash your face.
All right, I'm going.
Don't forget toothpaste.
I know, Mom. Brush, brush, brush.
And rinse well.
Done. Can I take a quick shower?
A quick one. We don't have much time.
I'll be fast.
Get comfortable because it's time to put yourself to the test. You are going to answer the following questions out loud. It is very important that you respond to each question out loud. You will have about 10 seconds to answer. After this time, we will give you the correct answer, so you can check if you responded correctly. With that being said, let's begin.
Does Anna wake up immediately when her mom calls her?
No, she doesn't. She asks for 5 more minutes because she's very sleepy.
Is it time for school when mom speaks to Anna?
Yes, it is. It's time for school when mom speaks to Anna.
Does Anna go to bed early the night before?
No, she doesn't. She goes to bed late again.
Does mom allow late night chatting?
No, she doesn't. She says there's no more late night chatting.
Is Anna getting up when she answers her mom?
Yes, she is. She's getting up when she answers her mom and says she's getting up.
Does mom tell Anna to open her eyes and sit up?
Yes, she does. Mom tells Anna to open her eyes and sit up.
Does mom tell Anna to go to the kitchen for breakfast first?
No, she doesn't. She tells her to go to the bathroom first.
Where does mom tell Anna to go after sitting up?
She tells her to go to the bathroom.
What two things does mom tell Anna to do in the bathroom?
She tells Anna to brush her teeth and wash her face.
Does mom remind Anna to use toothpaste?
Yes, she does. She reminds Anna to use toothpaste.
Does Anna rinse well after brushing?
Yes, she does. She rinses well after brushing.
Does Anna ask for a long, relaxing shower?
No, she doesn't. She asks to take a quick shower.
Does mom say they have plenty of time for a long shower?
No, she doesn't. She says they don't have much time.
Is Anna sleepy when her mom first speaks to her?
Yes, she is. She says she's so sleepy.
Does mom agree to a quick shower?
Yes, she does. She allows a quick shower because they don't have much time.
Does Anna promise to be fast in the shower?
Yes, she does. She says she'll be fast.